Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a card game with paper. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need sturdy paper or cardstock, ideally around 65 to 110 pounds for durable cards. Grab your favorite drawing tools, pens, markers, or colored pencils to bring your designs to life. Don't forget a ruler for precise cuts, sharp scissors, and a reliable adhesive like glue sticks or spray adhesive for any layering. Now let's dive into designing your cards. Start by sketching out your card ideas, thinking about both artwork and text. A standard playing card size is about 2.5 by 3.5 inches, which is a great starting point. Create a consistent design for all card backs to ensure fairness. Then, focus on the unique fronts, clearly displaying card values, abilities, or characters to make your game engaging and easy to understand. With your designs ready, it's time for cutting and assembly. Use a ruler and sharp scissors or a craft knife to carefully cut out each card. Precision is key here. Aim for uniform sizes, perhaps 2.5 by 3.5 inches, to ensure a professional feel. If you want extra durability, consider laminating your cards with clear contact paper or self-adhesive sheets. Finally, use a strong adhesive to secure any layered elements or card backs. The final, crucial step is playtesting and refinement. Gather a few friends and play your game multiple times. Pay close attention to any rule ambiguities or imbalances in card abilities. Ask for honest feedback on card clarity, game flow, and overall enjoyment. This iterative process of playing, observing, and adjusting is vital. Making small tweaks to rules or card designs will significantly enhance the player experience and ensure your game is truly fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.